I'm Luke Smith. In this video, we're going to walk through the CrossFlow RS30, Repligen's TFF solution to empower cGMP manufacturers with real-time concentration control and end-to-end automation. This system uses a 1/2-inch ID tube line set and supports membrane areas in the range of 1 to 5 square meters. To start things off, let's talk about valves. Identifying valves on our system is easy. Each black dot on the valve blocks around our system represents an automated valve. As you can see on our system, we have a lot of them. And that's because the more automated valves you have around your flow path, the greater your automation capabilities. Unlike traditional TFF systems, which require a lot of manual steps due to the limited number of controlled valves, this system offers everything you need for complete end-to-end automation. From integrity testing and sanitization through final concentration and product recovery, it automates the entire TFF process, reducing the risks and inefficiencies from manual process steps. But it's not just automation capabilities that makes our valve block technology so special. Let's take a closer look at how these valve blocks are designed specifically to maximize product recovery. As you can see, our valve block is specifically designed to allow a group of valves to be installed closely together. Paired with the valve block, we use an injection molded manifold instead of hard plastic hose barb assemblies. This allows us to put pinch points closer to the main flow path. Together, these technologies allow us to reduce the total holdup volume of the system and reduce dead legs. Now let's change gears and talk about mixing. The vessel you see here is Repligen's 50-liter tulip tank technology, the first single-use mixing vessel designed for TFF applications, with intelligent mixing and industry-leading minimum working volumes. The dual impellers, controlled by these two motors, independently adjust speed to prevent harmful surface interactions, while automated valves on the system adapt the retentate flow to prevent damage to the product upon re-entry into the vessel. Our unique sump design provides active mixing all the way down to 2.5 liters and keeps the lowest return line completely covered all the way down to 1.5 liters. The sump and its outlet are specifically designed to allow you to maintain high flow rates even at low minimum working volumes, making your TFF process even more efficient. Now let's walk through the process flow on this system. Product is brought from the retentate vessel to the filter via a Quattroflow 1200 diaphragm pump, capable of up to 20 liters per minute at 4 bar. The feed line also includes inlets for buffer, caustic, and Wi-Fi. It also has a non-product contact single-use pressure sensor. The cassette holder on the system, whether the manual version you see here or the optional auto torque, hydraulically actuated, are compatible with all common cassette brands. The permeate line on the system features a pressure sensor as well as a non-product contact ultrasonic flow meter. It also has conductivity and temperature sensors and optionally a dual wavelength UV sensor and pH sensor. It also supports recirculation and an optional PCV valve for permeate flow control. The retentate line on the system has a pressure sensor and flow sensor as well as optional conductivity and pH sensors. The system uses a precision PCV valve for automated back pressure control on the retentate line. The addition line on the system has separate inlets for product, Wi-Fi, and buffer, and is powered by a peristaltic pump capable of up to 7.5 liters per minute. The feed line also includes a pressure sensor and brings flow into the retentate line instead of directly to the vessel for maximized mixing dynamics. A powerful feature that adds the uniqueness of our system is its ability to control based off live concentration data. This is made possible by integration of the CTEC Flow VPX, our inline variable path length spectrophotometer. Having this live concentration data from the Flow VPX eliminates the dependence on upfront calculations and overcompensation for variability. Instead of relying on data from the load cells on the vessel to control concentration, the system takes 12 quality control grade concentration measurements every minute. The concentration range can be as wide as 0.1 to 300 milligrams per mil, and does it without sampling or dilution. The system can automatically adjust the path length range for improved accuracy in its measurements. The FlowVPX can be configured in 260 or 280 nanometer wavelengths with the field swappable beams light source. Now to wrap things up, let's talk about automation and software. Our automation platform is based on a reliable Allen Bradley PLC with a touchscreen HMI with a full-size keyboard. The software offers the users an intuitive point-and-click experience. Users can run and customize recipes from an extensive library of pre-built template recipes. Users can also pause during a batch without risk to their record integrity. Users can also use sequential flowcharts for process visualization. Batch records and trends are auto-generated and stored in an SQL database. An integrated data historian makes sure that all of your data is easily accessible and secure. Now, what about network integration and compliance? The system is built to be network integration ready for DCS and SCADA networks with Ethernet IP, OPC, and OPC UA connectivity. The system is designed to give you everything you need for CFR 21 Part 11 compliance and GAMP5 compliance, including certifications in UL and CE. And that concludes this overview of the CrossFlow RS30. To receive more information, please visit us at Repligen.com.